This is the LETOUR rechargeable magnetic work light. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the instruction manual, an elastic band to turn it into a headlamp. I'll show you that in a bit. USB charging cable, USB to USB-C. They give you two of these guys here. That's metal on that side. On the back is double stick tape, adhesive stuff. You peel the backing away like that, and you can stick it up because the light is magnetic. Okay, so that way if it's a non-ferrous surface that you want to stick it up on, it can stick if you put one of these guys up there. Let me tell you a little bit about it first, and then I'll show it to you, and of course we'll test it out. You can rotate it 180 degrees. That turns, that turns, that turns all the way there, and you can turn it all the way, you know, any which way you want. Again, we'll look at it in a bit. Once again, there is a battery meter right here. There's 4 lights that'll show the state of charge, just like that. This has 4 modes: high brightness white light, low brightness white light, red, and then a red flash. We'll go through all that once again. You can turn it into a headlamp. This will run for up to 4 hours on high and recharges in only 2 hours. So again, here's the light magnet right there. This part is for the headlamp. Okay, let's put that back a second. This also can be adjusted like that. So if you're using it as a headlamp, you can angle it for what you need. So that's really nice. The light, like I said, 180 this way, or it can turn and 180 that way, or of course anywhere in between that you want, just like that. This would be the configuration you'd have it as a headlamp. Okay, real easy like that. Charge port is right under this little rubber guy there, the USB-C port, and the button on there. And again, you got 4 modes, so we'll turn it on. There you got a white light, high brightness, low brightness, red, and then a red flash. Press again, goes out, and that's all there is to it. Real simple like that. Now, for the headlamp, all you have to do is take it, and there's a notch. Okay, so what you do is take the band here and put it through the notch and scrunch it up in there until you get the other end in. Okay, like that. And then the same on the other side. I'll put it on, show it to you. You can also adjust the strap if you need to make it longer or shorter. It's probably good for right now. That's fine. Right like that. And it just sits right on your head. If you need to angle it down, you can. Or up. So we'll put it about straight, turn it on, and there you go. Now you can see wherever you go. So that's especially nice when you blow a circuit breaker. Now you can see what you're doing. And in fact, I did pop a breaker just the other day when 240 volts shorted to ground. But that wasn't my fault. Fortunately, everything was okay. But hey, you can see, and even on low brightness, it does quite well. So there's your battery meter right there. So that'll show you that. Of course, once again, this can be turned. We can turn it around this way, and you can turn it whichever way you need to direct the light. And again, even on low, it shuts off after it's been on for a while. It shuts off when you press the button, so you don't have to go through all of the different modes like that. So that's actually a nice feature as well. And you can just set that wherever you want, and you see we get the light over there. Also nice for those late night washing sessions when you need to see what's going on in your laundry machine. Just like that, you got a nice light. So that works well also. This, of course, is just demonstrating, you know, just like that. But it produces some great light just like that. This would be especially useful under the hood of a car, or maybe even if you're grilling, but be careful of the heat. So a very handy and capable rechargeable magnetic work light from LETOUR. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.